Hello guys, see if we dey suffer for mental slavery, a better pass say we no see food eat. A better pass say our mothers or our fishermen no see fish catch. You see dis Chinese, Asian people and Europeans, dey come Africa sea and Africa rivers, dey come dey fish. Na if dem dey only dey come dey fish, e for good. Dem dey come with ship come dey fish. How on earth African leaders go open their sea, go open their rivers to allow Asian and Europeans come dey fish like this? This is not fishing. They are just taking the nature, everything. They dey empty our land, they dey empty our sea. African leaders no even know this one. They dey go Ghana, they dey come Nigeria, they dey come Liberia, everywhere for inside Africa, they come dey fish like this. Our fishermen go with canoe or boat, just go fish small fish for the day. The next day they fit go, the next day they no fit go. They'll just fish like that. But these Europeans and Asians, they'll come Africa, see the way they fish. This is not fishing. You understand? They take everything from us. And African leaders don't do anything about this. Look very well, look this video. You see the way that they pack these fish. You see the way that they, as in, you know how many fish they there? If they do this thing for more than 10 years. And if they continue like this, no surprise, say one day, our fishermen for inside Nigeria or inside Ghana or inside Cameroon or inside Togo go fishing, they will catch only 4 fish. Before they see that 4, go hard. You understand? And the world, they see this thing, African leaders, they see this thing, they don't talk anything. You can't try this in Asia. The other day, they catch some China men, they go Ghana, they use sheep, they pack fish for inside Ghana sea, for Ghana ocean. They pack fish. You can imagine that. So tell me, if these people continue like this for another 10 or 15 years, we go get fish to eat. And the one wey they pay me inside, these people, they don't even get the company when they produce this Titus or this sardine. You know how much for sardine for inside Nigeria? You and I, we no fit just chop belle full, say sardine hungry or small, just go buy, just dey chop like that. But now inside our country, inside Africa, now they pack this fish, they go Asia and Europe, go dey do am to Titus and sardine. And every other thing when they use the fish they do. Do you know how much for fish? There are so many, our mothers when they fit buy 2 fish take cook. But now the same fish that they import come back to us. How they will come fish for inside our land, come fish for inside our country, come carry the fish go back to their side, come package am, put for carton, freeze am. They come ship am come back. Our people go still go, they go import am come. They'll see they sell am for fish when they fish for inside our land. We get enough fish. Our fishermen they fish, but they fish as the fish sell. They fish as normal. These people go just come for that side, come fish everything, and they'll see the package and come sell for us again. Tell me, if they continue to take fish like this, how many go remain? They no fit try this for inside Europe. Europeans no fit fish for inside that sea like this. Never. Even Asia, they no fit. But they come Africa, come they empty everything. See, we go suffer well for this Africa, because you see, you know what you go suffer us pass, later on we go they beat us. We no go dey see all these our things they eat again, because now sef when we say we get them, we know they fit buy them and we get them. I would say they get all this company for inside Nigeria, for inside Africa. If or not they pay me, let's say that they produce this fish, that they produce this Titus. If or not they pay me, but they'll still take and go, they will still go the important. What did they happen to Africa leaders? What did they happen to now? You can't do this in Europe now, even in Asia. You can't try this. Fish with sheep? For what? Why you fish with sheep? You see fish, this fish now, they catch this fish every time. You can't try this. See, let me tell you, African leaders, in Europe, it gets some little water when it dey by the roadside. Europeans go carry fish again for another sea side. They'll come put the fish for inside there, so that make that water get, not be river, make the water just get fish. They'll go they feed down there. Why the Asian people and the same Europe people go come Africa, come they fish everything we will get. Everything. And una they look them. How much they give una? How much they give una? What did they give una? With sheep. Now shame to Africa leaders. Now big shame to Africa leaders. We, this generation, we no go give anybody that chance. Yeah, we go dey post anything when we see. We go dey post anything when we see. Even though na 5 years ago they don't, cause this thing wey they do so. If only my youths know wetin this thing go cause in future. If only you know, you go stand up say no, this thing we no go fit allow am. But why? Which kind weak leaders we get for Africa? Greedy leaders used to go Europe, go and buy house. Just to go Europe, go and buy house. Europeans, small seed, they put Dunphy. Small seed, they put this, what is they call this, cock, when they swim for water. Small water, they will put on there. Make they see that nature, but they can't destroy our own. China will can't destroy our own. All of them now, they can't destroy our own for South Africa. They can't take our things. They return them back to us and they buy them very expensive. And African leaders, they look there like this. All una sabi now to go Europe, go buy house. Go Europe, go buy car. Go Europe, go do shopping. Everything don't finish for Africa. They don't finish everything. Everything they want to make sure see they finish Africa pata, so that we no go see anything eat. So that we no go see anything eat. We go continue to buy from there. That's why no company, no manufacture, nothing, everything na import. Leaders, now all of na fake, na useless, una yeye. May our ancestors wipe una generation. As now they see Africa, they go down, so now keep quiet. All the labors from our ancestors, our forefathers don't labor for this continent to make sure say they great. As now see come, now see am, but still yet now no great take action. Now leave and make that they lose am because of na selfish interest. My ancestors wipe you, wipe your generation, wipe your family. He said.